Hi everyone, I'm Joe Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I will show you best app for screenshots, Lightshot. First, what you need to do is go under the video, click on the link for download Lightshot. So easy, click on the download button, wait a few seconds, click on install HowEasy, and now we can easily select language. I accept the rules. Now really quickly installation and finish. Now how to use Lightning screenshot. Quickly tour around options. In general you can set some features like a language or automatically copy a link after uploading, keep the selected area position. Important is hotkeys, because after set your hotkey you can make easily screenshot. I have it on print screen, or you can set it by hit something on your keyboard like E or H, but for me is print best. You can set instant save of the full screen or formats. You can set JPEG or PNG, quality for 100% or 50%. It's about you, and use proxy server. So now how to create a screenshot. I select now area what I have on my screenshot. You can instantly use pen and write something here, or line, headlining something, or whatever shape you can use here, rectangle easily, or you can normally mark some text, change the color, or write some text inside. Another really important thing is that you can instantly share it on a social media, Google account, print screen, diecam, or you can print it, or you can copy PNG file, or you can save it, or you can do it by shortcut Ctrl+S. I can do it now. Normally the primary folder is in users, your name or name of your PC, documents, and Lightshot. So it was all for today. I hope that you liked this video. If you like, please give me a like or comment this video, or give me subscribe on my channel, and stay tuned, because in next videos I will give you more life hacks how to be productive. Ciao!